Have you ever faced a situation where you want to clear your session storage, but only when refreshing the page? It can be quite tricky, right? If this sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to solve this issue together. I totally understand your frustration. You want to keep your session data intact when navigating back, but clear it when refreshing. This is a common challenge for many developers, and you're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to clear session storage only on a page refresh, while keeping it intact when using the back button. They mentioned trying some code, but still facing issues. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's the issue here? The problem arises because the browser treats refresh and back navigation differently. We need to find a way to distinguish between these actions in our code. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a special tip at the end that will help you manage session storage like a pro. To achieve the desired functionality, the user should first listen for the Windows before unload event. This event will help determine if the page is being refreshed. Next, the user should check if the navigation type is a reload. This can be done using the performance.navigation API. If it is a reload, the session storage can be cleared. Additionally, the user should ensure that the session storage is not cleared when navigating back or forward. This can be managed by setting a flag in the session storage. Finally, the user should implement a mechanism to reset the flag when the page is loaded for the first time. This ensures that the session storage is only cleared on refresh. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browsers were created in the early 1990s? They were so basic compared to what we have today. Just imagine trying to manage session storage back then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves tracking the page address that sets the session storage. They recommend using the onload event to check if the current URL matches the stored address. If it does, the session storage contents are cleared. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution suggests using the state change start event in AngularJS. This approach listens for state changes and clears the session storage only when the user refreshes the page, ensuring that it does not clear when navigating back. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your code in different scenarios to ensure it behaves as expected. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to clear session storage on refresh without affecting back navigation. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more coding tricks.